Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we open the case of a true horological treasure, the Waltham J.Q H&Co Private Label Pocket Watch. A rare piece from the early 1900s, carrying not only impeccable craftsmanship but also a story deeply connected to San Francisco's watchmaking heritage. At the beginning of the 20th century, the Waltham Watch Company produced some of the most precise and collectible timepieces in history, but among them, there is an even rarer line, the private label models, custom-made for renowned jewelers and watchmakers. Today, we will explore one of these special examples, the Waltham J.Q H&Co, a piece that carries not only impeccable engineering but also a unique history connected to the watchmaking tradition of San Francisco.